What's up, guys? Back at the shop working in my LS swap to 36. There's the other one. But exciting news, I got my subframe stripped, as you can see in the last video. And I actually got my subframe powder coated, and I got new bushings and bearings pressed into my control arm. This is my brand new used subframe. He did a very good job on it. Super excited. Some dusting from sandblast in it, but looks freaking amazing. And then there's my control arms, and then they have brand new bushings on the bottom and on top, and brand new bearings. I didn't press them in because I need to take the old one off here, so I just need to quickly grinding off and beat it off or something. And then I also got, besides those, I got myself a reinforcement kit for E46. Comes with a bunch of stuff. There's more of it, and I think yeah, that's it. These two, these two, these two, and these two. So I have a lot of work to do. The way that you can weld them in, you don't even have to weld them in. Or you can use special epoxy and then kind of glue them in and hold them with the bolts until they're fully glued. Or you can weld them. We'll see which one I'll be doing. I don't know yet. But anyway, exciting stuff's happening. Hopefully I'm gonna have my LSD soon. So right now what I'll be working on is taking these off. So just grinding them off. And also, I'm not sure how these fit exactly. I had an instruction somewhere and I have no idea what it's at. There's a bigger hole and there's a smaller hole, and that's probably for a reason. All I have to do is just look under the car. But basically, it's gonna look like new. Alright, so I grind and cleaned the diff and then both of the control arms, and I used basically like a rust reformer and sealer, and I used this GM paint that I picked up in AutoZone, and it's kind of like dark gray, which kind of shows they basically look nice and new. I ran out of paint for the diff, but I do have a red paint, so I don't know. Maybe I'll just use that, we'll see. And this one nice and painted also. With new bushings and new bearings. So it's looking very clean, very nice, very excited about it. Now onto the assembly. Oh, after I guess I painted the. I really don't want to leave it like that, and I also ran out of paint, so I don't know. I'm gonna use the sealer right now anyway on it, make sure it's nice and sealed from rust, and then maybe I'll just go stop by, pick up some gloss black paint. Alright, I'm not sure where I left off from the last time, but I put a diff in, just new bushings, and then solid bushing right there. And I have my arms ready. At the first sight, I think the arms are similar, like thickness wise, I thought they would be thicker. Besides the M stamp, I think they look pretty similar. Maybe this part's a little bit bulkier, but I think that's about it. I don't know. Diff is obviously, yeah. Anyway, this thing, this cradle, looks very similar in thickness wise, but came out super easy. Now I have to clean the spots for the reinforcement plates, and then see how badly they're cracked. If they're cracked at all, the subframe part on the car. So right now I'm gonna move the subframe out of the way and then try to see how badly cracked they are. I've seen everyone say if you have a BMW and you think you have non-cracked subframe, it is cracked, but I actually don't think it's cracked anywhere. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit more just to make sure, but honestly I think I get pretty lucky, I guess. I mean, it is a low mileage one, low mileage model, so gunk. I think it has like 35,000, something like that. But I need to clean it up and see where exactly it's gonna be welded to. My plates are somewhere, so I didn't buy like an expensive one, so I just bought I think this kit was like $100. I'm gonna go see and where they'll fit, because there's 2 plates. I'm not sure where they go exactly. We can figure this out. So these obviously go right here. I'm gonna take these bolts and put them in there. I'm not sure where these plates go yet. I think they go in the back like this. I could be wrong. So you bolt them down, you freaking hammer the crap out of it, make sure it's like flush against. Same on this side. These 2 probably go over here. My lock nuts would work best because they're tapered, and then they would keep the thing exactly centered where I need, so I tighten them. Tighten those. I'm not sure what this is for. I think it mentions about something repairing inside the trunk, which I don't think I need to, unless I figure it out later, but I'm gonna save them for now. I'm just terrible at welding, so I tacked it in a couple spots and basically just sealed it, and hopefully it'll work. But that's how it looks. I'm gonna prime it yet. So basically I just tacked it all the way around, and then sealed, make sure there's no water gets in. So right now I'm gonna quickly prime it and then start assembling this M3 subframe. That end and that end are different. This means I need the new drive shaft, which is a bummer, but I guess that's what I gotta do. So I'm gonna keep assembling and then try to look for either M3 drive shaft, or I'm gonna have a shop cut the end off and weld the M3 end on it. So subframe is in, everything's bolted. The rotors feel okay, they're just pretty rusty, so I put them back together, and hopefully when I drive they'll clean up. If not, I'll buy new ones. And I did clean the calipers, them 3 calipers, but I didn't paint them yet because I don't know which color to paint them. Most likely just black, and I don't have any black here, so I'm just gonna keep them not painted for now, and then you know, finish it later. I need to put the diff back in. I thought I'm not gonna put it in just yet, but I need to put it in because I need to measure a drive shaft, because I need new drive shaft, so that's fun. But other than that, it's freaking clean. Looks really nice. I'm missing a sway bar. I'm hoping the base sway bar will fit, but I'm just gonna wait on it just yet. It is reinforced and everything. Poly bushings, solid on a diff. Well, one solid, the other ones are not. If you guys enjoyed this video, I guess just wait for the next one. I don't know when I'm gonna post next video, but I'll see you in the next one. Bye.